Hello friends, welcome to my channel. To watch more videos on Keras in Python using machine learning, as we have gone through many videos on facial emotion recognition using fear library and deface library, as we have gone through our previous video Python facial expression using Keras classification. Today's video is enhancement of this video. So let us go through program in detail. First of all, importing the required libraries needed for the program. Then next statement, emotion count, it is used to classify the pictures for the emotion count. Then next part, load the pictures. Then next part, emotion, angry, disgust, it is used for using TensorFlow backend. We need to capture the emotions. The next part, save data, it is used, the function stores the loaded data into NumPy array. Then overview, to serve the function used to plot the first several pictures of that you have seen in previous video. Then next part, definition, plot in this part overview. Then another part, plot distribution, it is used to, the function is used to plot distribution of labels provided in the dataset. Then plot distribution, trained dataset and public dataset. Then optimizer. Now these all these we are plotting on the Matplotlib graph, that's why here this part is written. The function used to plot the picture subject. Now plot the all this is of Matplotlib. Now I will execute the program. Remember that please, the program will take more time to execute, but all our output will be done. In previous video we have seen some output, we have not seen some output. Today we will see each and every program, each and every module output. It will take some time, so be patient. Yes, now it is started executing. Yes, this was classified angry. This is first part. Yes, now it will plot the number of pictures, labels with pictures, which are seen in our previous video up till now. It will take some time because many figures, images are need to be loaded, so that's why it will take some time. It is very interesting to see the output. It will take some time. Yes, these images are displayed now. Yes, happy has been displayed, happy image. Yes, trained data and public data. Now angry, fear, happy, sad, surprise, neutral, all types of these emotions. Now here it will take some time. Epoch to model the evaluation, that's why it will take some time. 1 out of 32, here it will take some time, that's why here it will take some time. So be patient. As you will see, I have done a lot of videos on Keras. I find lot of interesting videos on Keras. Also I am interested to show more and more videos on Keras and machine learning. I find machine learning very interesting. It will take some time to load the evaluate the model, that's why be patient. Previously we have seen up till this part only, this part we have not seen in our previous video, that's why I am elaborating this part. 1 out of 32. Now it will evaluate the model up to 32/32. Now second, yes. Since Keras is very interesting, You can understand much more machine learning using Keras. Also, facial emotion recognition, we have seen lot of videos. We have also seen videos on hand tracking, like detecting left hand, right hand. We have also seen that. Also, we have seen pandas, connectivity of spreadsheet with Python. Also, we have gone through MongoDB. We have done a lot of fun with MongoDB. Yes. Also, we have seen MongoDB connectivity to PHP. That's very interesting. Then we have seen MongoDB connectivity to Python, and I will show a lot of videos on MongoDB with Python. Now 2 has been completed. Now it will move to 3. Yes, 3. It will take some time. Be patient. It will model evaluation is only taking some time because we need to express by Matplotlib graph facial emotion recognition. Just now we have seen images that we have seen up till now. We have seen that. This is advanced part which are going to see in this video. Now here after this you will see the labels of provided data set by the graph. Okay, 3 completed. We need to wait till 30 to complete. This program is taking some time, but when you will see the output, you will admire. Up till 4 it is completed. Now till 5, 6, 10. You will find it interesting when you will see the output. And Python is very good in machine learning. Yes, 4 is completed. Now model evaluation, 5th. It is doing fast, so be patient. I find it really interesting to do machine learning program rather than any language. You find it really interesting to do programs on machine learning, and this is one of this concept Keras with different data set. We have seen Virat Kohli data set, we have seen food data set. In that we have seen Vada Pav, burger, and which is more popular, that we have shown using Matplotlib graph. That also video was good. Also we have seen facial emotion recognition using Fear Library. We have seen a lot of videos on Fear Library and facial emotion recognition from the webcam. Also I created my different data set in my programs, my face data set. In one data set I have created my name, ID and image. And I will be doing more videos on data set. Also now it is 7, so after 10 it will move fast, I hope so. After 10 it will move fast, I hope so. And I have done a lot of videos on MongoDB. I find it interesting, but little bit you have to do lot of trial and error to go through MongoDB. Not like Postgres or MySQL. They are rather bit so 7 is completing. Yes, 7 is completing. Yes. Now it will 8. This model evaluation take time, but when you will see the graph, you will find it really interesting. Yes, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 32. And we have seen some videos on C language also, like connectivity to MySQL. That video is also become popular. Also we have seen sending mail to Gmail. I have done lot of videos on software testing also, like login to Gmail using Python Selenium. That also video became popular, so much popular. Day by day it is rapidly growing. Also I have seen C language connection to Postgres, C language connection to MySQL, C++ connection to MongoDB, C connection to MongoDB. Yes, 8 is completed. Now it will move to 9. Yes, slowly it is growing, so be patient. And also I have done some videos on cyber security, like firewall. That also video became popular. Also I told you some videos on operating system, that end user operating system. That is also really bit interesting. That in that case I am telling, comparing the operating system. Yes, now 9 is completing. It is moving to 10. Yes, slowly it is forwarding model evaluation. Yes, in previous video we have not seen this part. That's why I told you it is enhancement of previous video. Now 9 is completing. Yes, Yes, 9 has been completed, 10 is starting. Yes, now we'll see plot distribution, model evaluation. Now it is 10, slowly it is going fast. Yes, yes, it is going fast. Now 10 has been completing out of 32. Yes, 10 is completed. It is checking the accuracy of model evaluation. Also, we have seen one video on FTP, file transfer protocol. Also, we have seen some video in Java, like bar chart using Java, JSP, then UDP and UDP using Java. That also we have seen. Yes, 11 is completing. I have also done videos and more videos on Java also. Yes, completed, 11 completed, 12 is starting. Now it will move fast. Yes, I'm moving fast. Yes. Now 12 is completing. Yes. Now we also seen some videos on Node.js. I have struggled a lot on Node.js. Connectivity to MySQL, Node.js, connectivity to MongoDB, then login tutorial using Node.js with MySQL. That also you might have enjoyed. If you are not enjoyed, please watch that videos. So here when it will come 32, then it will stop the modeling. when there it comes 32/32, then it will stop. Right now it is approaching to 14. 13 is completing. Yes, 14. It is taking some time, maybe. Yes. Now it will move to 15 after some time. Yes, 15 is started. Yes. So 16 is started. Now slowly it will be approach to 20, and after that 30, 32. Yes, it is moving fast now. So facial expression using Keras is our video. Facial expression using Keras classification. Now it is moving to 17. This video is taking some time, but be patient. Now it is approaching to 20. Modern evolution is taking some time. You will experience some new thing while watching this video. I also created videos on cyber security, but it is for only our in our college PG students. Now it is moving little bit fast. You can watch my every videos on Keras, you will find it something innovative. Also you can watch my MongoDB videos, you will find something innovative. Also PHP videos on creating graph in PHP, that is something innovative. Ajax with PHP has done with some videos that are also little bit interesting. And my best videos are on Flask, in which email verification using Flask, then radio button using Flask, which my video is becoming very popular. You can watch all these videos. Yes. Now it is 25th, nearer to 32. Be patient to watch something innovative after you poach. Also I created more videos on database also, like installation of Postgres, then installation of AngularJS, also installation of Laravel, configuration of Laravel PHP framework. I started my YouTube by doing PHP programs, then I started Java, and finally I came with Python, and after that I have little bit videos on Node.js, then again finally I shifted to again Python. Now he puts it nearer to 32. Wait for a few minutes. Yes, it is now 30. Yes, now it is 31. Accuracy is increasing. Yes, after this model evaluation will finish. We will have some innovative output with graph. Yes, yes, it is finishing now. Epoch is finishing now. Yes. Yes, 32 has been finished. Yes, yes, graph has been displayed. Now yes, yes. So I have successfully done with facial expression classification using Keras emotion. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, long video patiently. Thank you very much.